try to get two rights or something.
Yeah.
AK is locked off.
Oh yeah.
Is it locked off? Try again.
Yeah.
Intend for... Yes. Built in 1977. Liittyy original. Pohjola taloihin Kouvola, Finland. And it has 14 floors, actually 13.
Yeah.
Yes, 13 stores.
Yeah.
10th floor. White case. Where is the cereal? You not see it?
Yeah. Yeah.
Ah.
It's 32478.
Page 32478.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you very much. What about the capacity? Can you find it?
12 persons or 1,000 kilograms.
Okay. 12 persons over 1,000 kilograms. Grey bumper is still here.
Yeah.
Another ride. Yes, it's still open. So old and torn.
Yeah.
Wow. We were so lucky today.
Yeah.
I hope I can also take pictures on floor YK.
Yes, I'm here. It was very hard to get
It
this
was really
elevator.
hard,
Yeah.
but it was absolutely worth it.
Yeah.
Where's the trouble? Yeah, it truly was worth it. Maybe this elevator was supposed to be inspected in the next year, 2020, and I'm sure they're going to replace this one soon.
Yeah. It says.
Today is the 16th of May 2019.
Yeah. Yeah. Inspection was shouldn't be to the 18th. It's late.
Oh, then it will be replaced. Do you think we are fine now?
Yeah. Yeah.
Didn't try the bumper on the other side. But
Yeah. Yeah.
yes, it still works. Okay. Thank you very much for watching. That's it.
That's it.